Hello folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, before we get started with the Power of Antivision blueprint, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, that's what I said, folks, $10,000 a month. This is a massive opportunity. So if you are interested, make sure you click that first link in the description below. Now, my coaches are Fergal Dallas, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. Three very accomplished internet marketers in their own right and have made millions of dollars over the years. Now, back to the review. You can grab the Power of Antivision in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'll give you 5 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus explains how you can drive traffic after you purchase a PLR, just like this one. It shows you how to modify and make PLR your own using tried and true strategies and techniques. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic to make money online. So grab it and you will reach your online income goals quickly and easily. Bonus number 3 is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. When you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr at a much lower price and then deliver it to your buyer and you pocket the difference. Bonus number 4, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is a crucial thing, folks. It's recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And bonus number 5 will show you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending about 15 minutes a day running the entire system. And not only that, you receive a done-for-you high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, who are the vendors of the Power of Antivision? Well, here we go with you, Sean, and Kathy Lee, or Callie Lee, I should say. They are 2 prolific creators and vendors for the personal development and self-help niches. They presently have over 32,500 sales on the Warrior Plus platform, and I'm sure the Power of Antivision will be a hit among your followers. Now, this comes with a highly recommended. I have bought and purchased a number of programs through you, Sean, and Callie Lee, and can vouch for their way in which they do things. Now, in a nutshell, the Power of Antivision blueprint teaches you how not to wallow in negativity, but to turn what you don't want in life into a powerful motivator for achieving what you do want to do in life. Now, here are some things you should know about this product. It is up-to-date information and how to leverage pain into power. It provides 10 powerful chapters with over 10,000 words written by a number of proficient writers. It's a full PLR so that you have the rights to freely edit the book however you wish, to customize the content to your personal taste. It provides an editable doc and a PDF format. You get stunning chapter graphics that will keep your readers spellbound, which I'll talk about a little later. And you have fantastic information that you might even like yourself, and rather than selling it, you may want to do it yourself. Now, there are a lot of things that you will learn from this self-help course. Understanding the difference between vision and anti-vision and how each can be used to define your life goals. Techniques for identifying and shaping your anti-vision to clarify what you want to avoid in your future. Embrace pain as a tool for unparalleled personal growth by recognizing its value and learning from it. Overcoming complacency by expecting big challenges and stepping out of your comfort zone to achieve your goals. the importance of continuous learning and staying active in various aspects of life for overall growth and development. And there is much, much more that you can learn from this product. I mentioned that the chapters include stunning graphics, and here they are. Here's a sample of them, I should say. There's over 10 chapters, so here are 6 views of the chapters. Now, inside the modules, Module 1 is a premium quality ebook. Module 2 is a complete checklist. Module 3 is a comprehensive mind map. Module 4 is a high converting sales page. Module 5 is a hypnotizing or a video sales letter. Module 6 is an exclusive lead magnet. Module 7 provides professional landing page. Module 8 provides follow-up email swipes. Module 9 is stunning graphics pack. And Module 10 is license certificates. And you will also receive fast action bonuses if you jump in early. The fast action bonus number 1 is a PLR powerhouse. Fast action bonus number 2 is a sales funnel hack. And the fast action bonus 3 is really an unannounced bonus and is valued at least $1,000. Now, the sales funnel looks like this. All that I've talked about initially in terms of that front-end product, you receive between $13.95 and $19.95. And as I mentioned, price increases as sales come in. OTO1 is another product, and it's an upgrade. In OTO1, you receive a high-quality video upgrade, high-converting upsell page, professional video sales letter, professional slides to all videos, complete video transcripts, MP3 audio files, and exclusive PLR to Pro upgrade, and some further mega bonuses. OTO2 is a $97 special PLR bundle where you receive a collection of 4 best-selling PLR packages in one special offer. And all PLR packages come with full front-end product and Pro upgrades. Not bad for $97. And OTO3 is a done-for-you installation service between $77 and $147. And OTO4 provides you with a monthly or an annual VPI membership, and you receive an abundance VIP membership, and you get early access through that to their latest PLR products, and you get them every month. And if you need to know more, you can click on that second link below and get the full story. And before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below, and my 5 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain recurring income online easily, and earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and finally, how to drive traffic after you purchase PLR. Now, thank you for watching, folks. See you next time.